Dapat pala yung drone, no? Tapos yung kinokontrol, tapos raratrating ka, guys. Oo nga, no? Talino ng global to, no?
Labas na zone.
Si Slayer yan, pre.
Namatay si zone. Likod niya.
Piniprint ako taas. Tuloy mag... Diyan lang.
Yan lang, harap mo.
Tuloy man.
Right side, nag-self red. So may bata.
Sige. Wala na, mamatay na yan, pre.
Pwede niyo balikan, pre. Points din yan. Ayun, down ulit siya. Right side, Tom. Right side. Ayun,
Ang inang balot mo.
Patay si Tom.
Buhay mo, Tom. Sige, abat. Pre,
Muntik pang bumalik.
May smoke, sige.
Kunat mo, Slayer.
pinataas, pre.
Pari niya, mga tarantado.
Sige. Na-cluster na kayo. Bababayan, pre. Ayun, sabog. Sabog, pre.
Dalawa dep ko ah.
Bading pala si Rezo. Nahiya naman ako sa haircut mong ano, ha? Haircut ng bading sa parlor, ha? Nahiya naman ako sa gupit mo, ha? Naka Justin Bieber 2009 ka pa.
Dalawang spotter, pre.
Di mo ba alam yan ang common na gupit ng ano? Parloristang bading?
Tapor!
Ang hirap. Puro spatter.
Oh,
Okay lang yan.
Top 2 pre, sana top 2 na lang.
naglagpas si Kuya Nero doon.
Okay nun.
Nice try. Ang kunat ni Slayer doon.
Then,
Oh,
8,
lang.
10. Ilan ba top 4, tol? Bilangin ko na dito.
Solido.
5 points, 15.
15.
Sana top 2 guys, sana top 2. So, yung
Tanggala.
guys,
Na-spatter pa.
ayang.
20.
Nagunsa man ka.
Sino naka-34?
Aray ko po. Meron, may naka 34.
Lagi baka mahahabol pa.
Naku, Ludes.
Sila Panchi ah.
Sila-
Sila Panchito.
Sila Panchito.
Sino?
Parang wala naman nata.
Laban
Sana
dito.
wala.
Tom?
Hindi ko nga
Sila
alam
yung
eh.
four
Tagal
Sila
na
ba
pag
yung
sila yan.
Dami nga nito, nila Panchito, pre. Paano yan?
sila
four.
tayong bre ha.
Sila
four
Icon
letters.
daw. Sila Icon
Nga
daw
ba
for
siya?
letters.
Sila Icon.
Icon daw.
34 kung tayo ako ganyan. Oh.
Ang gala kung tayo na ako ng
No.
ganyan.
Ay,
Paano yan,
34
pre?
sila Panchito,
So,
pare.
Paano yun sa SJ,
Okay,
sir?
Nice.
Dami kasing food sa kanila eh.
Sila ata 4 letters.
Nasa taas din sila, tol eh.
Ang gala
Ang
sa pato
gagi.
chat pre,
Icon daw
sila
Ang sakit kasi ng talo ng top 2 dyan, guys, eh.
Pre, tingin sa Discord.
Oh, pre sila yan
Nasa
pre.
Discord.
Ay, hindi, Asere sila, pre. Asere XK9.
Ang sakit kasi ng talo ng top 2, guys. Okay pang top 3 ka, guys, eh. Kasi ang top 2, guys, 2K USD, ang top 3, 1.5. Tignan nyo yung agwat, guys.
Last round pa, no? Last round na
Pero
yun.
sa ano, top 1, pre, 3K USD yung agwat, guys. 5K, tapos biglang magiging 2K.
5 points lang.
Sakit ng top 2 dyan, guys. Okay pang top 3 ka.
Nag-drone yata eh. Pinatay si Winter.
Hindi ko na yan.
Sino yun?
Last round na kasi.
Last round naman na eh.
Hawk X3. SDSR labanan eh.
May nakalagay ba sa rules, man?
Oh,
Pwede yun, Tom. Wala naman sa rules yun, eh.
Mga nagiging na eh.
Oh, yung guys.
Yung Hawk X3, pwede yun, Tom. Kahit yung ano, yung RC car.
Mga top three.
Ay, pre, kung kami naka 34 pre.
Champion, no?
Doon sa pinataas, no?
Walang
Linis
ano,
natin, pre-hit natin.
walang ano eh. Walang sumusukong na nanalo, 34 plus 15 pre. Oh, yung gala.
Rico po.
Ano, ba't na makahiwa pre? Kanan.
Sana makaiwas, sana
No?
makaiwas.
Tapos silipin ka natin, guys.
Aray ko
Silipin
po.
natin.
Hirap eh.
know that we've seen Goat use a
Yes, it
drone
is.
chat. It's okay. We did see that. Apparently, we did not state that the Hawks X3 was
Meron pang bukas.
Baka top 3 po.
guys, wala na. Tayo guys, wala
Sino ba
naman
yung
tayo
goat?
sa August 30. Punta tayo guys sa SM Novaliches, Quezon City guys.
It was more so
Quezon
a
City?
gentleman's
Top two,
agreement that
man.
everyone kind of knew not to use the drone.
Sino ba
Sana
yung
nga
GOAT?
may top
But
two.
we didn't like.
Ay, top 2 lang.
Ah!
I thought they just, you know,
Yung
just kind of
GOAT,
knew not to use it. But I guess going forward, we'll make sure to.
Hindi,
We don't
maalala
usually
mo
like to
nila.
ban anything,
Ano?
but this
Yung
tournament's
4L,
heavy on
wala
the
din
ban,
eh.
so-
6, 7, 8.
Who did they actually end up taking down? What a tournament as usual, ladies and gentlemen. What a tournament as usual. Another fantastic month of the BRL. Of course, the BRL is going to come back next month for September. But there's no word of what we're going to do there. Will it be solos? Will it be duos? Will it stay squads and have a different challenge? I don't know.
Maganda yung pre,
You
ano?
know what you want to see in the chat right
Solo, ay ano? Squad tapos executan lang, no?
Welcome to tell me what you think it should be next time. Tell me what you guys think it should be next time. Squads, solos, duos. I'm kind of on the fence about
Guys,
doing
ispamin nyo doon, execute only.
solo
Squad.
tournament, if I'm being honest. The reason we don't do trios is because we can't get 3 teams of 3. We can't get 99 teams where there's 33 teams of 3. If we could do trios, we would, but we just can't. That's why I always say solo, duo, or squads. Thank you for all the follows, chat. I appreciate it. Seeing them all pop up in the chat right now. Much love to you guys, as per usual. A lot of people thinking the Zenith one, I mean, if a Bull Balls and his team had taken them down earlier, then it might have been a different finals. But they let Fund live and Slayer live. Good clutch from both of them. And then Fund at the end, perfect way to seal the deal. Camp in a corner, wait for those placement points to come through. And finally, a Bull Balls gets the revenge that he wanted and takes him down. Either way, the scores are getting drafted up onto the screen. We'll have a nice little graphic right here.
Saludo. Nice try pa rin, mate. Nice try.
Feel free to update the scoring once you send me the graphic on... Oh, damn. Goats actually lost their spot because we removed a point for their kill. So wherever they are going to end up placing, they're 1 spot below where they would have placed if they had just got the kill normally for their drone warfare. We did actually ban it in the qualifiers. So I'm surprised they used it in the finals, even though, yeah, it is what it is, chat. It is what it is. We'll be more clear and concise about the rules going forward. Yeah, I think they lost their 5th place
May
spot.
nag-aaway na naman. Sino na naman?
For that. No weapons, definitely not doing that, chat. Definitely not doing a no weapons tournament. That's for damn sure, chat. That's for damn sure. But yeah, Goats are going out of the top 5, I believe, based off of that performance. Unfortunate situation for them, but at least they performed well. They did better earlier in the competition, but not as good towards the end. Not as good towards the end.
Zenith na to, pre.
Overload ata.
Joker kasi
I just
walang
want to see the
bitaw.
graphic to see.
Ah!
Ako nga yung Joker, parang di gumapang. Parang di man lang parang di man lang tumesting.
Isang beses lang kayo nanalong round pero mas matagal kaming nabuhay sa inyo.
$10,000
Rebs,
Parang
legendary
hindi
ka
mo
na sa
lang-
MP.
But in August,
Di ba?
Top 2 pa din, top 2 pa din.
Tagit to kay USD yan, ah. Okay lang yan.
Oh men, may pambili na ako na ano men ng taillight. May pambili na ako taillight men, 30k.
Oo nga pala, mag-wide body nga pala si Gina Civic, guys, no?
Taillight Tom sa Civic men.
probably sting a little bit more because they were so close. If they just didn't have that one
Binabash na naman si Jeff. Grabe naman kayo, guys.
game where they got
Kulang sa tulog eh.
Nakakato.
points, maybe they could have continued their
Ito nanalo
streak.
na kayo nito, plus 15.
Lala.
Ayan, okay lang, okay lang.
Wala, no?
Ito na pre, may result tayo na.
131.
How to, yay! NT time.
Nice one, pre.
Okay lang, pre.
Okay lang, pre.
Nakahiwa, aris nakahiwa.
Congrats ka lang, Lotogs.
Congrats.
Flix lang yung patawa, tanggal ka Flix.
Finishing in first
Hindi
place
naman, pre,
with
sa top 5 kami na yan,
131
Pinoy,
total
tanggalak.
points. Finally,
Bumaga, Flix.
dethroning 4 Kings that finished
Gigil na gigil daw sa atin sila, Flix, eh.
in total. Right below them, you have a Zero K9
Alan,
with
guys,
their final
congrats na sila
remaining
lahat,
game,
eh.
getting them right up the
Mabait naman
leaderboard
yun,
in third place,
Mabait naman sila, guys.
106 points.
Bati na yan eh.
Just below that,
Kasi yan sila Slayer, mabait yan.
105, and Viper Esports
Kung top 3 yan, tanggal lang, long pot.
95.
Oo, kasi bumaba
Tapos
pa
lamang
no?
nila. Oo, tapos lamang nila, onti lang. Okay lang. Yun talaga. Okay lang, guys. Congrats.
Not only that, for the first
Enti pre, enti pre.
Okay lang yan. I-junk na lang natin yan, pare.
Ginawa namin best namin.
Congrats sa Electrotics.
Ganun talaga, hindi lagi panalo.
Nung iyak.
Ano yan, Jeff?
Panalo
Ba't ako
pa din
iyak?
yan, guys.
Jeff, baka mag-notes ka ng multo, ha.
2026.
Ako na, mauna na ako mag-play. Alam ko, mag-notes kayo lahat ng multo, eh.
Dami pa
Alam ko na to, pare, eh.
Lagi panalo.
Unahan ko na.
Hit lang dito eh.
Sabi mo, itong kakuha niyang ano, 500
Unahan ko na. Sure ako, mag-notes sila ng multo, guys.
Maraming salamat sa mga sumuport.
Kamusta ang Fugi? Panalo ba? Panalo! Yung global! Ang dami! Dami namin sinalong kong kasyon! Ano balita, Kuya Strick? Ano magpapatugtog para sa main, guys?
Ako ay dahang nililin ng buhay pa.
Grabe tayong balimbing kay Jeep, oh. Huwag nyo kasi sisihin. Ginawa naman nila yung best nila, guys. All goods, busy sa work lagi. Baka magtatatay ka rin pag-uwi, ha? Nang damdamin ko, aray ko po. Okay lang, Jeff, pares tayo minumulto.
Hindi na mag-CH. Hindi na kami ganun. Magpapasama lang isang kumagan. Mag-copy date lang.
Jeff, comfort na kita, Jeff, ha? Pakilagay na yung sofa bed ko dyan, ha? Bili mo na yung sofa bed ko, ha? Para may sarili na akong pwesto dyan, ha? Yung sofa bed ko, ha? Pre, solid na inuman to, pre. Meron na.
Walang banner, hindi pinakita.
Solid na ambagan na naman to, pare. Dalawa. Tapos dadagdag si Jeff kasi multo na naman yung tour na ngayon, guys. Okay, inuman na naman to. Water therapy muna. Pasingin na